Hey beautiful souls, back to my channel, lynofuro. This is our first year spending New Year's Eve in Wellington with a kids concert.
We are sitting at a rock. I'll show you where we sit.
Four, three, two, one. Happy New Year!
Remember how we used to do those long-listed New Year's resolutions? Big plans, bold promises, only to dry out by February. Yeah, me too. Resolutions felt like pressure, like squeezing into jeans 3 sizes too small. So I ditched them. Instead, I discovered this amazing concept called sankalpa. You might have heard about the sankalpa during your yoga sessions. It is like planting a seed of your deepest desires, not in some dusty planner, but in the fertile ground of your soul. Think of it as talking, having conversations, whispering your dreams to the universe under the moonlight. Every time I roll out my yoga mat, I set a sankalpa. Maybe it's finding inner strength during a challenging pose, or cultivating peace amidst the city's buzz. It is like a guiding star, lighting my practice from within. It's not about checking boxes or forcing things. It's about whispering dreams, nurturing them with mindful action, and trusting the magic of the moon. It's like a secret garden that you have in your mind and soul, where intentions blossom under the sun of awareness and the moonlit rain of gratitude. So friend, forget about the resolutions. Let's plant sankalpas, dance with moon cycles, and watch our inner gardens bloom. Who knows, maybe we'll even inspire each other along the way. What are you planning in your moonlit garden today? Finding balance and serenity as we step into a new year is crucial. My intention for 2024 is to make my home a sanctuary of peace, where I can be myself, be with my family, and feel comfortable in it. Sometimes the upper limit is limiting me from being happy, truly happy. But now I know 2024 is going to be different. What a great view, isn't it? I did voiceover because when I took my videos, I didn't realize that my mic is on TRS and I couldn't get any audio. So here is me doing voiceover for you for this Zealandia trip. We started our Zealandia visit yesterday. How thoughtful is Zealandia? Welly has been very windy. I mean, it's throughout the year windy kind of situation. So they provide 2 days in 1 ticket. So you can enter Zealandia 2 days in a row. And when we came yesterday, we took the easiest route, obviously, because we were not prepared for this hiking situation. We thought Zealandia is a zoo. Instead, it's kind of like a hiking trail that has 3 levels from green, orange, and yellow. Today, we picked the orange route because it's the middle range, up to 3 hours of hike. We didn't really explore the full thing, and it took us quite some time because we just wanna walk mindfully and enjoying the surroundings and the welcomes of the ducks, birds that calling us on top of our head. Maybe like me here, sitting down on a bench, trying to catch my breath, and I took this moment to recenter and meditate with the energy of Zealandia surrounding nature. Just look at it. The ducks just sit down in front of us, showing off their wings to my camera, and just happen to catwalk from left to right, from in frame and out of the frame, but it's just too long for me to show you. And there they goes off the stage. If you have watched my first video, I meal planned differently. Like I cook a big batch of vegetables, and I couldn't stick with it at the end of the week because I felt it's really boring for me to eat, and I don't like the taste of keep reheating it in the microwave. So here is my new game plan: making sauces and prepare vegetable in batch beforehand before the week start. I found this treasure, like a big whole bag of spinach leaves, so you don't have to pluck it out one by one. Yeah, I know, I'm a lazy one, but I take shortcuts so that I don't get overwhelmed and I can maintain it throughout the year of 2024, obviously. And you can see I prepare 4 boxes of huge boxes of spinach. 2 of it I'm going to freeze it for my smoothies, so it's okay for you to freeze your vegetables and some fruits. So I just freeze my berries and spinach. The rest of the 2 I will be putting it in my refrigerator so I can just grab a bunch with my palm and throw it into my dish throughout the year. Yay! I'm so happy that I can find this arrangement that will support my wholesome food situation that I'm into right now. What is your meal plan game changer? Let me know in the comments.